Happy New Year to all of you. Today we'll discuss about algebraic expression. Already we have learned about algebraic expression in NCERT and in private book both. Here we'll recap the concept of algebraic expression. We'll learn some terminology at first, then we'll practice some important examples. Here we have considered a rectangle where length is twice the breadth. That means if we consider breadth is x unit, then length will be 2x unit. In this case, what will be perimeter? Perimeter will be 2 into length plus breadth. That means 2 into 2x plus x. That means 2 into 3x. So 6x units. Similarly, what will be area? Area will be 2x into x. That means 2x square units. See that here value of perimeter and area, that means value of P and A depend on that letter x. If value of x changes, then value of P and A, that means value of perimeter and area will be changed. So here this letter cap x is called variable since its value varies, and this numerical term, that means 6, is called constant because its value is always fixed. So here we have learned to concept variable and constant, and now we'll learn about variable and constant taking another example. X square plus xy plus y square plus 5. It is an algebraic expression. So you can ask me what is algebraic expression? We'll learn it later. See that in this expression x and y variable and this 5 is called constant because its value is fixed and value of xy changes. That's why these are called variable. And now coefficient. What do you mean by coefficient? I am taking another example, 2x square plus 5. In this example, see that 2 is multiplied by this variable term x square. So 2 is called coefficient. Coefficient of whose? Coefficient of x square. Now this, see that this constant term 5 is called coefficient of x to the power 0. Why coefficient of x to the power 0? Because this 5 can be written as 5 equal to 5 into x to the power 0. See that 5 is the coefficient of x to the power 0. Now you can ask me what do you mean by algebraic expression? An expression formed by a combination of variables and constant using mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is known as an algebraic expression. For example, this 5 minus half, these are algebraic expression. Why? Because this 5, see that 5 can be written as 5 into x to the power 0. Here variable x and constant 5, and it is expressed as multiplication of x to the power 0 and 5. Similarly this. And now we will give example of like term and unlike term. At first we will learn what is like term and what is unlike term. Like term, that means in two expression, if same variables are there and their power also same. See that here x square 2x square both are like term. Why? Because here two same variable x and their index are 2, both are 2, so these are like term. Similarly 2x minus 3x also like term. If we take 2 minus 3 by 2 also these are like term. Why these are like term? Because here same variable, if we consider x, then 2 into x to the power 0 minus 3 by 2 x to the power 0. So both have same power of variable. But here if we take 3, if I write another example, suppose 5xy and minus 6xy, also see that also these are like term because both have same variable xy and both have same power 1 1. But if we write 3xy square, both have same variable xy, but power of x, that means index of x 1 1, but index of y here 1 here 2, that means both are different, so these terms are unlike term. So this is another example of unlike term, xy square and 3 by 2 xy cube. Now we'll learn about polynomial, then three types of polynomial, basically three types. What do you mean by polynomial? It is an algebraic expression with non-zero coefficients and variables having non-negative integer as exponent is called a polynomial. So important things is, in algebraic expression, if exponent of all variable have non-negative integers, then it is called polynomial. For example, I am giving example. Suppose x square plus x, it is an polynomial. It is a polynomial. But root x plus 2, it is not a polynomial. Why not a polynomial? Not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Because see that here exponent of x is half, because root x can be written as x to the power half. That's why it is not a polynomial. And now we'll learn about monomial, binomial and trinomial. What do we mean by monomial? Monomial, a polynomial containing only one term is called monomial. For example, see that 2, 3x, 5y square, all are example of monomial. Binomial, a polynomial containing two unlike terms is called binomial. Here see that x and x square both are unlike term, so x plus x square is a binomial. Similarly 2, 3x both are unlike term, so 2 plus 3x is a binomial. Trinomial, now a polynomial containing three unlike terms is called a trinomial. For example, 9x square, 3 by 2xy, all are unlike term, so their sum is a trinomial. Now solve this question. Simplify 2 by 3 p cube into minus 9 by 10 p cube. See that both are monomial here, product of monomial. To simplify it, at first copy the question and then to multiply these two terms, at first we have to multiply two coefficient. So see that coefficient of first term is 2 by 3 and second term minus 9 by 10. And that means first term is positive term and second term is negative term. So product of positive term and negative term is negative. That means plus minus minus. You can write at first, or you can write at first 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Both are coefficient. Then you multiply the variables. That means p, now see that power of p 1, power of p 3, so add it. And for q, here exponent 3 and here exponent 1, so 3 plus 1. So now you can simplify it. 3 the 9, 2 5 the 10, and now plus minus minus, and in numerator 2 is there only 2 and denominator 5 is there, so it will be 5 and p to the power 4 q to the power 4. It is simplified answer. I am giving one homework to you. You will try yourself, and if you don't simplify it, then please comment me and I'll give another video of solution of this homework questions. Homework is simplify minus 10 by 3 p q cube into 6 by 5 p cube q. Okay, next simplification. Simplify 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. To simplify it, at first copy the question. 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y. See that here 1.5x minus 4y, and see that this term 1.5x plus 4y. To multiply this binomial by this trinomial, you focus only this binomial term and this binomial term. This is a form of a minus b into a plus b. So easily you can multiply it, or simply you can multiply term by term. Both are same case. If you follow shortcut method, that means this a minus b into a plus b, then you'll get formula, you know, a minus b into a plus b formula. It is a square minus b square. So you'll get 1.5x whole square minus 4y whole square. And if you multiply one term by term, then one term, two term will vanish. Okay, that means if you multiply these two term by these two term, you will get only these two term. And now multiply this term by 3, then you will get 3 into 1.5x plus, minus plus minus, you will get 3 into 4y, and these two term unchanged. That means minus 4.5x plus 12y. You can tell me that it is difficult for you. Then you can avoid this step and simply you multiply term by term. Multiply term by term, that means you consider this term and multiply whole this term by 1.5x at first. Then multiply all these three terms by minus 4y. You will get same result. And here we have to multiply using distributive law. Also this step is right. You can follow this step or you can follow the second method. For second method, multiply these three terms by 1.5x. That means 1.5x into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Then multiply this minus 4y by all term. Then you will get minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. And last two terms are unchanged, minus 4.5x plus 12y. Then you will get then again apply distributive law. Then here you have to multiply this 1.5x by 1.5x, then 1.5x into 4y, then 1.5x into 3. Now first term 1.5 into 1.5. You know 15 square is 225. So 225. Then here after point 1 digit, after point 1 digit. So after 2 digits point will come. So you'll get 2.25 and x into x, x square. Similarly 1.5 into 4, you'll get 6.0. That means only 6 and x into y, xy. And if you multiply 1.5 into 3, you'll get 4.5 and variable is x. Similarly, you multiply these three terms by 4y, you'll get 1.5 into 4, 6, and minus plus minus. then 6xy, then minus plus minus 4y into 4y, 16y square, minus plus minus, and 4 into 3, 12, 12y. Last two terms are unchanged, 4.5x plus 12y. Okay, so now see that plus 6y and minus 6y will vanish. Then minus 12y plus 12y will vanish. Plus 4.5x minus 4.5x will vanish. Only remaining terms are 2.25x square and here 16y square. Actually minus 16y square. This is the simplified answer. See that full solution, questions and solution. Is there any problem? Then comment below this video. Then see that next word problem. Word problem about algebraic expression, same chapters. There are 5m square plus 7m plus 9 tickets available for World Cup final match. 3m square minus 11m minus 14 tickets were purchased by males and m square plus 25m plus 15 tickets were purchased by females. How many tickets were unsold? So here total ticket, to solve it, see that what is the total ticket? Total tickets are 5m square plus 7m plus 9 and tickets purchased by males, it is 3m square minus 11m minus 14, and tickets purchased by females, it is m square plus 25m plus 15. Now add these two tickets, number of tickets. If you add, then you'll get total tickets purchased by males and females. 3m to add, we have to add like term. 3m square and m square, it is 4m square minus 11m and plus 25m, it is plus 14m, because 25 minus 11, see that 14, and m will come here, minus 14 plus 15, it will be plus 1. So total tickets purchased by male and females, it is 4m square plus 14m plus 1. And what is the total number of tickets? It is 5m square plus 7m plus 9. To get number of tickets were unsold, we have to subtract this total number of tickets purchased by male and females from total tickets. That means here number of tickets were unsold. Number of tickets were, all right, only tickets were unsold. This is 5m square plus 7m plus 9 minus 4m square plus 14m plus 1. See that to add and subtract, here we are applying two different processes. Here we have add column wise, but here we are subtracting row wise. So in this problem we are learning these two different methods. To subtract it, 5m square plus 7m plus 9 will be unchanged, and multiply this minus, that means signs of all these three terms will be changed. Minus plus minus 4m square and minus plus minus 14m minus plus minus 1. And now see that 5m square minus 4m square. 5m square minus 4m square, only m square. 7m minus 14m, it is minus 7m. And plus 9 minus 1, it is plus 8. It is the answer. Number of tickets were answered this. So you can write answer m square minus 7m plus 8 tickets were unsold. Oh sorry, last part which invisible, unsold. See the next question. Simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its values for x equal to 3 and x equal to half. That means you have to simplify this term at first, then you have to put the value. For this problem, don't directly put the value of x equal to 3 and x equal to half at first. At first, you simplify the given term, then put the value. To simplify it, at first write the given term, then simplify it. To simplify it, you have to multiply 4x minus 5 by 3x at first. So 3x into 4x minus 3x into 5 plus 3. 3x into 4x, 3 into 4, 12, x into x square, minus 3x into 15, it will be minus 15x plus 3. So it is simplified form, because here given that simplify this, that means first part done. Now you have to find the value for x equal to 3. So put value x equal to 3 in this term, in this 12x square minus 15x minus 3. Then if you put this value, then you will get 12 into 3 square. Put x equal to 3, that means in place of x put 3. Here x square is there, so it will be 3 square. Minus 15x, that means minus 15 into 3 plus 3. So it is 12 into 3 square 9, 12 9 the 108, minus 15 into 3 45 plus 3. So you'll get 1 minus 45. So here 11 minus 5 6 and 10 minus 4 6. So 66 is the answer. And for second part, there is one value, put x equal to half. If you put x equal to half, then you'll get 12 into half square minus 15 into half plus 3. So it is 12 into 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 4 3 the 12, 3 plus 3 6. So it is 6 minus 15 by 2. If you simplify it, you'll get 12 minus 15 by 2. That means minus 3 by 2. It is the answer. It is simplified form, and for x equal to 3, you'll get 6, and for x equal to half, you'll get minus 3 by 2. And I am giving one homework for you. You will solve it. Simplify a into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5 and find its value for a equal to 0 and a equal to 1. So at first you will simplify these given terms, then put the value for a equal to 0 and a equal to 1, and comment me for answer related to a equal to 0 and a equal to 1. And thank you.